guys, welcome back to Cruise Keto Vlogs. So in today's video we're going to be making some smoky chipotle grilled chicken, and it is absolutely wonderful. You're definitely going to love this one. We're just going to start out by adding 2 chipotle peppers in adobo sauce into a bowl. Now if you want this spicy, you can add or leave the seeds in, but if you don't, you can certainly take the seeds out and add in more chipotle pepper. Then we're just going to add in 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Now you can adjust this to how salty you want it. If you want it less salty, just don't add in as much. 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, 2 tablespoons of stevia, 1/4 cup of olive oil, 3 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and you're going to add in between 5 to 8 drops of mesquite liquid smoke, which comes out to about 1/2 teaspoon. And then you're just going to whisk that together. You can taste it to see if you need to add in any more salt or pepper or whichever you prefer, but it is a marinade, so keep that in mind. Then just whisk it together, pop the lid on, and let it sit for about 30 minutes just so the flavors can mingle together. Now here I've just got a Ziploc bag. If you don't want to use a Ziploc bag, that is fine. You can completely do this in a glass bowl with a lid. And I have 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken thighs that's been chopped up by my local grocer. And I'm just going to pop those into my bag. And then I'm going to pour in that marinade. And you're just going to let out all of the air in the bag, or if you're doing this in a bowl, it's completely fine. Just pour that over there, let all of the air out of the bag, and get all of that marinade thoroughly distributed through the chicken meat. And then you're going to let this sit for 1 to 5 hours. You can do this the night before if you prefer. That is completely fine. The longer it sits, the more flavorful it's going to be. I did this the day before. So that will work out just fine. Just pop that in there, mix it around, and let it sit. Now what I've got here is a cast iron grill pan. If you don't have a cast iron grill pan, you can do this on a grill if you have one. If not, any pan will work just fine. You're just going to cut your heat on to medium low. Either one will work fine, just depends on how long you want it to cook. Then you're just going to add in your chicken, and you're going to let this cook between 5 to 7 minutes per side. If it's a little bit thinner of a cut, you'll just have to watch it. If it's a thicker cut, you might need to let it grill for a little bit longer. It just depends on the chicken itself. So you're just going to put that in your pan and you're going to cook that until it's completely cooked through, and you are done. And just cook the remaining pieces of the chicken. Add in whatever vegetables or sides that you want to go with it, and it's a meal. That is going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Hit that little red subscribe button down below. And join us here at Cruz Keto Vlogs and be part of the family here. And don't forget to hit that little notification bell as well, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. I upload new videos every week. And yeah, you guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.